Hello students, let us continue exercise 9a. We have already discussed example 1 to 14, now we discuss example 15. The price of sugar goes up by 20%, and by how much percent must a housewife reduce her consumption of sugar so that the expenditure on sugar remains the same? Let consumption of sugar in the initially equal to 1 unit. Let its cost rupees 100. Cost of 1 unit of sugar is rupees 100. Given price of sugar increased 20%. Now cost of 1 unit of sugar equal to rupees 120. Therefore, sugar can be purchased in rupees 120. Sugar can be purchased in rupees 120 equal to 1 unit. Sugar can be purchased in rupee 1 will be less, so we write 1 upon 120 units. Sugar can be purchased in rupees 100 will be more means multiply, so 1 upon 20 multiply 100 unit. 0 0 cancel out, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 5.6 units. Reduce in consumption equal to initially sugar 1 unit and sugar purchased 5.6 unit, so reduced consumption equal to 1 minus 5.6. Take 6 as LCM. 6 minus 6 1 is 6, 1 1 5 is 5, that is 1 upon 6 unit. Percent of reduction equal to reduction multiply 100 upon initial quantity. 1 upon 6 multiply 100 upon initial quantity unit 1, so upon 1 we can write 2 5 is 50, 2 3 is 6, 50 upon 3%, 16 3 is 48 plus 2, 50 upon 3, that is 16, 2 upon 3%. Now example 16. The population increased by 6% annually if the present population is 17,490. What was it a year ago? Present population equal to 17,490. Percent of increase equal to 6%. Let population of a town was 1 year ago equal to X according to question. This is the rate of increase of the population. So we write X plus 6% of X equal to 17,490. X upon 1 plus 6 upon 100 multiply X of mean multiply equal to 17,490. 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10, 2 0 0, 3 upon 5 X, 3 upon 5 X. Now take 50 as LCM. X as it is, 150 divided by 1 we get 50. 50 multiply X plus 3X multiply 51 is 50, that is 1 multiply 1 equal to 17,490. 50x plus 3x upon 50. Right side as it is. 50x plus 3x, 53x upon 50. 53x upon 50 equal to 17,490. X is equal to 17,490 multiply reciprocal of 53 upon 50, that is 50 upon 53. Now 17,490 divided by 53, 53 1 is 53, that is 330. Now 5 3 are 15, 5 3 15 plus 1 16, 0 0, that is 16,500. Hence the population of a town 1 year ago equal to 16,500. Now example 17. The value of a machine depreciated every year by 10% if the present value of the machine be rupees 99,000. What was its value last year? Present value of machine equal to rupees 99,000. Depreciated rate equal to 10%. Let the value of the machine last year equal to rupees X. According to question, X minus 10% of X equal to 99,000. X upon 1 minus 10 upon 100 of mean multiply X equal to 99,000. 0 0 cancel out. We write X upon 1 minus X upon 100 equal to 99,000. Take 10 as LCM. We write 10x minus 1x upon 10 equal to 99,000. 10x minus 1x, 9x upon 10. 9x upon 10 equal to 99,000. Now x is equal to 99,000 multiply 10 upon 1. 9 1 9. 9 1 9, 9 1 9, 9 0 0, 9 0 0, 9 0 0. 11,000 multiply 10, that is 1,10,000. Hence value of machine last year equal to 1,10,000 rupees, 1,10,000. Now we discuss question number 18. Example 18. This is your example. A incomes is 60% more than B. By what percent of B incomes less than A incomes? Let B incomes equal to rupees 100, then A incomes rupees 160. If A incomes 160, then B incomes rupees 100. If A incomes rupees 1, then B incomes rupees 100 upon 160. If A incomes is rupees 100, then B incomes rupees 100 upon 160 multiply 100. 0 0 cancel out. 4 4 ja 16. 4 2 ja 8. 4 5 ja 25. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. 25 5 ja 125 upon 2, that is 62.5. B incomes is less than A incomes equal to rupees 100 minus 62.5, that is 37.5. This is your required answer. Now hence required percentage also 37.5%. This is your required answer. Now we discuss exercise 9A, question number 1. Now first example, express each of the following as a fraction. First part 48%. Now we write 48% can be 48 upon 100. Express each of the following as a fraction. Now we calculate 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 12 upon 25. This is your required fraction. Now next 210, 220% can be write 220 upon 100. 0 0 cancel. 2 5 ja 10, 2 11 ja 22, that is 11 upon 5. This is your required fraction. Now we discuss question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. 6%. Write in decimal. We write 6 upon 100. Can we write 0.06 to decimal place? This is your required decimal. Express each of the following as percentage. 9 upon 25 multiply 100%. 25 1 25, 25 4 100, 9 4 36%. This is your required answer. Now fourth question, convert ratio 4:5 to percentage. We write 4 upon 5 multiply 100%. 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 0 0, that is 80%. Express 125%. 125% equal to 135 upon 100. 25 5 ja 125, 25 4 ja 100, that is 5:4. This is your required answer. Which is the largest? 6 2 upon 3%, 3 upon 20 and 0.14. First we change in decimal. So greatest value is 6 2 upon 3%. Now we discuss question number 7. What percent of 156 is 90? So we write 96 upon 150 multiply 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 3 ja 5 2 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 3 2 ja, that is 64. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 9A, question number 1 to 10 in your fair notebook. Thank you.